Alright guys, I'm gonna try to give you this one in under a minute. It's second gen, I believe it's a second gen Nissan Quest. This is a 2004. I'm changing the axle. This is the sizes I use, the 32 here. Take this off. There should be a cotter pin there. You can take that out, throw that out, because you got to replace that. 11/16 on this side, 3/4 on the other side. Zip these off. There is a extension there that I'm using. There's one bolt, there's two, and then there's a third one on the other side. You take those out with a 12 millimeter, and once you get this off, you just bend this whole piece back, bang the rest of the axle in, pull it out, replace it with the new one. Okay guys, maybe more than a minute. But just in case you guys can't get this out with a pry bar, there is 3 14s, one right there, one right there, and one on the other side of the bottom one. You can just take that out and it'll pull out much easier. That's if you get it stuck. Try with a pry bar first, you might get lucky.